The Jewel of Mersin, an authentic Turkish adventure. Hello, my name is Atlas, and I love maps. This year, I traveled all the way to a sparkling coastal city called Mersin, on the Mediterranean Sea in Turkey. My new friend İçel promised to show me everything authentic and amazing about her home. İçel started our tour right at the heart of the city, the massive Mersin International Port. Mersin is known as the Pearl of the Mediterranean and is one of the biggest ports in all of Turkey, she explained. This is where huge ships bring goods from all over the world. Next, we drove east towards the mighty Taurus Mountains. The mountains are green and rugged, providing a stunning backdrop to the blue sea. The land here is perfect for growing food, İçel told me. Mersin is famous for its juicy citrus fruits, especially lemons and oranges. Our biggest adventure started when we drove down the coast. Suddenly, Atlas gasped. Floating just offshore, there was a magnificent stone castle. That's Kiskalesi, or the Maiden's Castle, İçel said. It has been standing on that tiny island for centuries. We hired a small boat to go visit the castle. Inside, Atlas imagined knights and princesses living there long ago. The castle walls whispered stories of ancient kings and battles fought right on the water's edge. After history, it was time for fun. We put on our swimming gear and jumped into the clear, warm waters of the Mediterranean. The beaches along the coast are beautiful, soft, and sandy, perfect for splashing around. Exploring makes you hungry. İçel insisted I try the most famous Mersin food, tantuni. It's warm, thinly sliced meat cooked on a hot metal plate and served rolled up in flatbread with onions and tomatoes. It's spicy but so delicious, she warned. To see some of the region's ancient past, we visited the ruins of Pompeiopoulos, just outside the city center. İçel showed me the huge, weathered columns still standing from the Roman era. It felt like stepping back 2,000 years. For our final stop, we went to the shiny, modern Mersin Marina. We watched the sailing boats bobbing in the harbor, while İçel explained another important fact. Mersin is a very young city compared to places like Istanbul, but it's growing fast and is full of energy. Mersin truly is the jewel of the Turkish coast. We saw historical wonders, magnificent mountains, and ate wonderful food. Atlas knew he would never forget the amazing sights and sounds of the Mediterranean, all authentic to İçel's beautiful hometown.